Didn't bring milk like this. Why to tell to Baba? Huh? You want Baba and me fighting? Huh? Why tell to Baba? Mama didn't bring milk like this. Huh? Because you just finished drink milk. Then you go, when we go outside, I know you will sleeping. That's why Mama didn't bring milk. Huh? And now, you telling to Baba, Mama didn't bring milk like this? What is that? Mama will not bring you outside anymore. Okay? Mama will not bring you outside anymore. Yes? Yes? You will stay at home and then Mama only the one who will go out. Opo? Yes or no? Shanas? Mama is talking to you.